Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure Jenkins on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all system packages. Jenkins requires Java to run. So, you need to install OpenJDK 21. Next, import the Jenkins GPG key. Continue to add the official Jenkins repository. Then, install the Jenkins package. Next, start the Jenkins service and enable Jenkins to start automatically. Continue to verify Jenkins is running. Next, get the default admin password. Now, open your browser and access the Jenkins web interface. Enter the admin password. Click Install Suggested Plugins and wait for installation. Next, create an admin user and set the Jenkins URL. After that, click Start using Jenkins. Finally, you have successfully installed and configured Jenkins on AlmaLinux 9.